everyone.
I'm Deepika.
I'm Sony. Welcome back to our channel, the SD's
Chaos
Club. So, आज क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
We are going to talk about anything and everything under the sun with
Interesting.
with a pinch of humor.
Humor तो हमें बहुत है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. इसलिए तो हम यहाँ पे हैं. We are going to talk about female friendships.
Interesting topic, हाँ?
Very.
Okay. इसमें बहुत कुछ है ना बात करने के लिए, जैसे कि what is the first thing that you want to mention
when we say about female friendship, I think female friendships are very underrated, especially in this generation. So it is very important to have a healthy female friendships in life, which do not include,
like I would say,
which do not include any kind of competition, jealousy, comparisons, especially. So
ये सब चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती है. So in my experience, what I have seen is usually friends में I've seen people जो कि आपके साथ एकदम naturally, इतने close हो जाते थे short time में, वो आपको ये नहीं देखते कि तुम कैसी हो, क्या हो, they don't compare that, but they naturally help you.
Yeah.
So ऐसा बहुत कम होता है ना आजकल के तो.
Very true, very true. But at the same time, it is important to know how to deal with those disappointments.
But
That
let's
is
talk
the
about
concern.
expectation. I think I want more about a little about expectation because I expect from a friend. So मेरी friend जैसे कि अगर मैं मेरी friend से मैं ये expect करूँगी कि she does a little things. It is not about materialistically, मुझे मेरे लिए सब कुछ करे, मुझे attention दे. But sometimes what I feel is वो थोड़ा सा जैसे मैं अगर करती हूँ, if I'm doing something like I'm checking on her या फिर I'm just जैसे as you said you would like. So जैसे मैं भी अगर उसके ऊपर I call them, I check on them. तो वैसे ही I also expect कि वो भी मेरे को पूछे कि कहाँ है, कैसी है.
Agree.
तो ये ऐसे expectations मैं expect करती हूँ.
True. But again, there are different types of people who there are certain people who can't express. Probably I don't know. I come in that category sometimes, most of the times. But then but then I make sure. But I really make sure if I am somebody's friend, I really check on them. I can't let go of my relationships just like that. I don't take my relationships for granted.
मैं बोल रही थी reciprocation, right? Reciprocation में I think बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते, reciprocate नहीं कर पाते. is what I feel. I am a reciprocator. अगर मुझे सामने से efforts दिख रही हैं तो मैं definitely effort डालूंगी.
Yeah.
If I am putting effort and I don't see that, then I stop that. That's how I am. What do you think about that?
That's actually a right way to deal with somebody who's not reciprocating, because see, by the end of the day, you do not want to be in a place wherein you are only a giver.
Correct.
And there is nothing that it is coming, and that messes up with your head is what I believe. Why is this happening? Is it because of any kind of miscommunication, misunderstanding, or anything? If somebody is not wanting to have a communication, then I think it's better to let them go. And as I always say, if it is meant to happen, it will come back to you. That is the only way to deal with a situation with a positive mindset is what I.
So basically, अच्छा, okay. So as you said, let them go. तो ऐसे तो फिर कोई रहेगा नहीं लाइफ में. In my opinion, जैसे मेरे साथ हुआ है.
अब जाने वाले को रोक
कोई नहीं रोक
सकता.
तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ कि आई थिंक मैंने भी एक और चीज़ समझी है कि आप कम्युनिकेट कितना भी कर लो, आप बात बहुत कुछ बोलो, अपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रख लो, सब रख लो, लेकिन सामने वाला वो समझने की क्षमता ही नहीं रखता है या समझना ही नहीं चाहता, तो उसको आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. राइट. ये भी होता है. तो कम्युनिकेशन इज़ डेफिनेटली एज यू सेड, कोई भी रिश्ते में ना कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो वो भी बहुत बहुत कम आजकल देखा है. लोग समझना नहीं चाहते, सुनना नहीं चाहते टेक्निकली. तो ये भी है, ये भी मैंने सोचा है.
ऑल्सो एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, it takes, a relationship will not grow in a day or two. takes so much of
Correct.
efforts coming from two people. You will fight, you will scream at each other, you might yell or do anything.
अच्छा एक और पॉइंट इससे अच्छा मुझे याद आया. So आप कैसे भी बात कर सकते हो आपके दोस्त के साथ. Is there a way that do you define saying कि तुम ऐसे नहीं बात कर सकते तुम्हारे दोस्त से या ऐसे बात करना चाहिए?
No.
Way of talking, like how do you converse?
See,
with your
as a person, for me, I really need somebody to talk to me in a respectful manner. I really believe in it.
Mhm.
I also I behave like that. It is in my manners and behavior and all. Not necessary that certain people are there. Certain people. I wouldn't say that the way I've been along with certain set of people, and you go meet certain other set of people. Not necessarily their body language is different. The way they use certain words are different and all. That doesn't make them a bad person or something. They're just different. They are all different.
For sure. So अगर मैं मेरे फ्रेंड की बात करूँ जैसे मैं अगर अपने दोस्तों से ना
हाँ.
I don't want to think and talk. मैं जैसी हूँ naturally I wanna be with them. So just like how they are with me. मतलब मैं ऐसे believe करती हूँ ना आप एक दोस्त के साथ हो तो you have to be yourself. You can't be अभी formal जैसे हम लोग करते हैं नए दोस्त. There are so many labels in friendship also. I'm sure you have heard that, right? Good friend, very good friend. Good close friend ऐसे
Best
बहुत सारे
friend.
label हाँ बहुत सारे label
Best
friend
forever.
forever.
Yeah, as we
So
were
what is the other
discussing.
point you would like to say? I think jealousy.
Jealous and
दो
all.
लड़कियां कभी actually में अच्छी best friend हो
दोस्त
सकती
बन
हैं
सकती हैं कि नहीं. That's a very debatable topic. दो लड़कियां दोस्त बन सकती हैं कि नहीं.
without any jealousy.
See,
So that-
if it comes to me, I think, मतलब I can only speak up for myself.
Yes.
I am comfortable in my own skin. The way I look, the way I present, the way I talk, speak. Speak, similar words. Yeah.
कोई बात
So
नहीं, होता है.
yeah. So the way I carry myself, etc., etc. I'm a very confident person. Yeah.
What I feel is since my school or any time basically मैं किसी से दोस्ती जब करती हूँ मेरे लिए वो जैसे हैं मैं उनको वैसे ही देखती हूँ. आई नेवर कंपेयर वेदर अगर वो मेरे से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत भी हो आई विल बी लाइक वाओ I am that hype girl basically.
I know.
I do not really feel
Yeah.
any type of jealousy.
Yeah.
और मैं ऐसी बंदी हूँ कि मेरे को ये सब देखती ही नहीं. तो I am like that also. मेरी फ्रेंड को अगर मैं कहीं उसके साथ जा रही हूँ मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरी भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड अच्छी दिखे but at the same time do I want to change her the way she dress?
No.
I would never. I would rather कुछ minor changes होते हैं जो हम शायद एक दूसरे को that's how ना without any jealousy अगर आप
Yeah.
वो करते हो I think that's a very important quality और two female friendship में होना चाहिए that there should not be any jealousy. So what is that one important thing to in female friendship is important?
Not one of the important things. So
Okay,
that
top,
is
एकदम top वाला.
that is we are going to talk about cis code.
That is the next important thing, right? So in cis code, so let's say this. I like someone. So that guy is obviously out of
the reach. Out of the reach. All
देख ही नहीं सकते.
he'll be like all Indians are my brothers and sisters. That person will be like brother. Next Rakhi I'm going to tie Rakhi to him.
नहीं भाई तो नहीं. Let's not call him भाई.
Okay, fine.
Let's say
But
this कि that मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड अब तू भी किसी को पसंद करी मैं उसकी तरफ देखूंगी नहीं. देखना मतलब एक फ्रेंडली फ्रेंड बात करने के तरीके अपनी डायरी होती है बेसिकली वही मैंने देखा है आजकल बहुत सुना है मैंने न्यूज़ में एक्चुअली एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड अपनी ही उनके ऐसा होता है बहुत सारे
I've read about it.
It's really I do not wanna
Yeah, it's very heartbreaking.
very heartbreaking. तो वही है कि आई थिंक ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है फ्रेंडशिप में कि अगर मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड वो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है तो उससे मेरी फ्रेंड बीइंग अ फ्रेंडली इट इज़ फाइन. जैसे आजकल थर्ड व्हीलिंग भी बहुत चलता है ना जैसे कि आई हैव माई सेल्फ डन लॉट ऑफ थर्ड व्हीलिंग. तो बेसिकली मेरी फ्रेंड का बॉयफ्रेंड ठीक है वो दोनों के साथ मैं हैंग आउट करती थी मैं पार्टीज जाती थी मैं मूवीज विद देम तो मुझे ना बहुत फोमो होता था उनके साथ बट फिर भी विद एक रिस्पेक्टफुल दायरा होता है एक बाउंड्री होती है वो मैंने मेनटेन की है उनके साथ. तो ऐसा बहुत अगेन बहुत लोग करते भी हैं बट बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं कि दे डोंट रिस्पेक्ट दैट फ्रेंड्स के दिस थिंग राइट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? तुमने ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस देखा कभी?
नो
थर्ड व्हीलिंग की तो नहीं
नहीं।
बट तुमने ये देखा है कि 2 फीमेल फ्रेंड्स में जब ऐसे एक को पसंद करते हैं,
हाँ।
एक का रिलेशन चल रहा है, तो दूसरा पर्सन सच में कैसे, हाउ डू?
I've always been friends with my friends' boyfriends or now husbands, or I am friends with my friends' exes also. But they are my brothers, okay? They are my brothers now. I don't usually believe in those kind of vibes, and और मेरे से होता भी नहीं है, मुझसे होता नहीं है
वैसे
एक्चुअली.
सोचो ना कि बहुत सारी ऐसी लड़कियां होती है कि जैसे जस्ट बिकॉज अब मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मुझे छोड़ दिया,
हाँ.
लेट्स से दिस, ये
हाँ.
भी सिनेरियोज होती है
हाँ.
कि हमारा ब्रेकअप हो गया,
हाँ.
तो क्या डज दैट मीन कि मेरी फ्रेंड को फ्री पास मिल गया टू टू ट्राई माय बॉयफ्रेंड?
It all depends. Again,
So you mean it is okay?
no, I wouldn't say it is okay, because for me, my friend
But
is
it happens,
important.
right?
I don't know. It
Have
happens
you
or
not heard? Social
I've
media.
heard, but I don't believe in that concept. I do
Okay.
not believe in that
That's what I was
concept.
asking.
No,
Okay.
I don't believe in that
Yeah.
concept. I
Me
mean,
too. I don't. I
yeah.
think अगर मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से ब्रेकअप कर लिया, वो मेरे लिए भी वो गया. It's
out
like
of
that.
yeah, that's what I said. It is done.
So जैसे अभी तुमने बोला कि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स के एक्सेस के साथ तुम्हारी फ्रेंडशिप है, how is that? So give me one example of like experience, how it happened.
So, see, the scenario was completely different. It was not like I became friends with that person instantly. No, that didn't happen. If somebody knows me, they know that if you are doing anything to my friend, I'll turn into a next killer. So that is how I deal.
Did you ever happen to tell your friend that you're talking to her ex?
Yes, of course, she knows it. She knows it. There's
And
nothing.
What was her opinion? Or like one point where she did say कि why you're talking to my ex? ऐसे कभी
She
पूछी?
kind of couple of times she taunted about it.
Sarcastically बोली है
हाँ,
कि
yeah,
Okay.
and then I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it.
इतना चलता है.
इतना
आपके दोस्त के
चलता है,
साथ अगर
yeah.
आप sarcastically
See,
बोलोगे.
if also I believe that friend of mine is very generous, because if somebody comes and tells me that my friend is friends with my ex, I would kill. I would take a knife and
ये
stab.
कैसी बात हो गई भाई?
But I am friends with my ex also. So,
देवी, मैं आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहूंगी. But that's how I think.
so that's how I am. I am friends with everyone. I am friends with everyone. Usually, see, I won't say friends. A friend of mine actually told me
But
that
not everyone is your friend.
not everyone is my friend. That is the catch. Because the thing with me is, I am friendly with everyone.
But not friend.
That is the catch. That is the catch, bro. People miss
तो
it.
अच्छा हुआ
People
तुमने
miss it.
क्लैरिफाई कर दिया, वरना लोग तो सच में सोच बैठती
हाँ.
कि तुम सबके फ्रेंड कैसे?
Yeah. No. I am
हाँ.
friendly with everyone.
Yeah.
And I am
Just
nice.
talking.
I am friendly, I am nice,
Okay,
because
हाँ.
I am a good human. And I have good manners. That's it. But I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend. You will get a confirmation if I'm your friend. I will torture you. I will torture you. You will see a different shade of mine, which not everybody sees, as you know.
Absolutely.
Somebody who would
Ask me. So हम दोनों chaos हैं.
Yes.
इसलिए
This is
chaos
called
club.
the chaos. The SD's Chaos Club.
और SD क्या है? बता दे, तू ही बता दे.
Sony. Deepika. Yeah.
So the chaos has
So,
just started, guys.
yes.
And through this, I hope you guys also enjoy it. और ऐसे ही हम अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे हम बात करने लगेंगे, हमारे व्यूज देंगे. So आप ऐसे ही देखना, और don't forget to
Like,
share
and subscribe to our channel.
The SD Chaos
Chaos
Club.
Club.
So see you next time.
Yes.